Very, very pretty. Last call kay Patricia. Susi, then I'll be changing. Salamat po. Salamat. Since madalas tayong mag-t-shirts and blouses, so today, pang-bottom naman. There. Last call for Patricia White. Very nice. Very nice. Marami pa. So these are the colors for Patricia. 2, 4, 6 colors lang yan, Susi. Marami pong salamat. Kapkun ka. Next one. Isa pang skirt, Susi. Ang isa pang skirt is, nasa na yung pinost ko? Anina ka? Sophia ka? Ang navy, no? Deme ka? Sisi, ang maganda kay Lea. When it comes to polka, hindi lang siya na-limit sa black and white. Meron din siyang ibang colors. Now, let me wear it for you, Sisi. Luca is 36 po ang length. Luca ay 36 ang length, Sisi. Pabasto na pabitin. Very nice. Now, let me wear the Sophia. Ano? Yes. Oh, bebe mo. Ha? Oh, nice. Oh.
Polka skirt.
Oh. Sisters, look. Oh, Sisi. Yes, Sisi din. Pero may short yan. Sisi, may short yan. Tapos parang medyo may slit ka. Oh, diba? Ay, ang nice nga ni. Si Sophia may polka, may plain duay siya may ha. Tawa, common kan, Sophia man kan. Okay. Let's have Sophia polka first. Okay. For the Sophia polka, sisters, let me show it to you. So see, let me show the white color ng malapitan. The good thing about Lea Sisi, parang design talaga siya ng parang Asian, what do you call that? Parang Asian belt. Okay? Very nice ang fitting since may sizes nga siya, Sisi. And kapag may size, iba agad eh. So, tama ako dito, large pa rin. There you go. So, short siya sa likod. Ayan ang zip. There. So, this one, may slit siya dyan. Pero kapag tinaas natin, Sisi, clear yan. Okay? Short pa din yan. Napaka-nice. Napaka-social. There you go. Ang code natin dito, Sisi, 899 lang to. Code natin dito, sisters, would be Sophia Polka Navy. Si Luca 980, Ma'am Eleanor. Sobrang ganda, ma'am. Bagay sa mainit na panahon natin since may pag-Korean fabric siya. Malambot siya sa balat. Yes. We have Sophia Polka Navy, Sophia Polka White, Sophia Polka Black, Sophia Polka Choco. Ganda na Choco. Sophia Polka Beige. And of course, we have it in navy. There you go. And I'm wearing navy, Sisi. For only 899 pesos only. 899 pesos. The code is Sophia Polka. Large navy kay Ms. Ru. Thank you very much. Napaka-chic natin dito. Parang bata tayo agad ng mga 3 years lang naman. Okay? Para naman medyo makatotohanan. Okay? Walang bola yon. There. It's really nice to wear skirt, Sisi. Nakaka-feminine, nakaka-bata. Nakaka-chicks. There you go. Thank you, Ms. Ru. There. So, again, this is the white color, Sisi. So, lahat na nakalabas dito na sizes is small. Diyos ko, sana all. So, as much as I want to wear all the colors, you know me, I love to wear it. Kaya lang nagre-request lang ako ng size. So, ginaganto ko na lang siya, paper doll. So, kita naman kung gaano din kaganda siya. We have the white, Sophia Polka White. Look at naman ang Choco, Sisi. Ang hihimanin. Uy, alam nyo ba, sisters, hindi pa ako nakabenta ng ng ganito na Choco. Si Abby, thank you. Eto, Choco. Di pa tayo nakabenta ko nito. Sister, meron bang Sophia skirt na solid colors? Meron, Sisi. Isusunod ka, sister. There, so we have the Choco color, which is nice as well. Very, alam nyo yun, garterized ba si Luca? Na, Ma'am Eleanor, may sizes tayo, ma'am, hanggang 3XL. So we have it in, of course, black, very timeless black. Alright. Hi, Miss Ria. CC 6 to 7 tayo, CC. This will arrive last week of September. May siya. Yes, last week of September. Then we have the black. We have the beige. Si beige, minsan lang tayo makakita ng beige. There you go. And then, of course, we have it in navy color. Thank you so much. Thank you, si Abby. Toblew kap. Toblew kap. Ngayon, if you will be asking me about my top, it's available. Pero alam nyo ba, set to. Kumuha lang ako ng parang pwede kong gamitin kasi naka-inner lang ako na pwede kong pang partner sa mga, tawag dyan, sa mga trousers and skirts. And you know that meron tong side pockets. Sino nyo naman dyan? Parang, dahil ako ay 39 na, parang naging 36 ako. Pwede ba? Ay, sobra naman. Alright, free delivery to your doorstep, Sissy. Code for this one, again, is Sophia Polka. Kapkun ka. Skirt po ba yan? Yes, ma'am. Skirt, Sissy. Skirt, actually. Yan, shorts siya. Skirt here. May short sa loob, Sissy. Ayan siya, no? Okay na po tayo dito. Polka Navy 2XL. Thank you, Miss Annalisa. No, ma'am. Ang sweet you dito. There you go. There you go. Kino-comment. Is stretchable ba si Luca? No, ma'am. So, stick with your size. All of these are non-stretchable. So, you should know your size. You don't have to downsize or upsize. Ayan siya. Alright? Okay na tayo kay, Sophia Polka. Last call again, we have the navy. Meron tayong white. Ang ganda ng choco. Meron tayong black, but then the navy is, different naman yan talaga si navy. Magandahan naman talaga yan. Beige, and of course, we have it in navy. Thank you very much, Marami pong salamat. Diba? Medyo bumata tayo dito. Now, if you don't like polka sa of course, I have plain of this. Let me wear yellow. Sophia, yellow. Elde, may ka?